I decided it was time for me to upgrade my shower head. This shower head that I got off a TikTok shop was super easy to install. It also has a lot of great features, like 3 different modes to choose from, low to high. And you can turn it off with the press of a button. Has a soft bristle head, has a pressure washer feature that can reach to the back of the tub. Comes with an extra attachable brush, and getting to the filter is a breeze. Comes with all the parts you need, and it was super easy to install. I've linked it below.